Hello, second graders. My name's Monica, and I'm a certified teacher in Tennessee. Today we're going to do a number talk together. Number talks are a way to develop your mental math abilities in thinking about all the different ways we can add and subtract numbers. You shouldn't really need any materials for today because all of what I want you to do is think in your head. Okay? Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to write down an expression here on this whiteboard, and I want you to think about what the answer might be. And I'll ask some of you to share with me how you were thinking about this problem. Ready for the first one? Okay. The first one is 36 plus 22. Have you thought of an answer? Great. Let's see. Matt, could you share with us what you think the answer is to 36 plus 22? Matt says that he thinks the answer to 36 plus 22 is 58. Do we agree or disagree with Matt's answer, 58? It looks like everybody agrees that the answer is 58. Matt, talk to us about how you were thinking about this problem. Okay. So Matt says that he was thinking about these add-ins as being two-digit numbers, and he was thinking about this 36 as being 3 tens. So 1, 2, 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, and 6 ones. Okay. Here's the 36. So the 36 is 30 plus 6. Okay, Matt, tell us more. All right, so then he was thinking about the 22 as being 2 tens, 10, 20, and 2 ones, 1, 2, 10, 20, 21, 22. So 22 is 20 plus 2. All right, Matt, tell us some more. Okay, so he says then it's time to combine the tens. So 30 plus 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I have 50. 30 plus 20 equals 50. Okay, Matt? Okay, then 6 plus 2, the ones. We have the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 2, 1, 2. 6 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Matt, now what? Matt says when we bring all of these together, we have 50 and 8 more, which equals 58. Let's check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 56, 57, 58. Great. So what Matt did is he broke each of these numbers, each of these add-ins apart into their place values. 30 plus 6 and 20 plus 2. Matt, did that make it easier for you to add? Good. Matt says that it is easier for him to add when he breaks the numbers apart into their place values, because then he's dealing with friendlier numbers, multiples of tens and ones. All right, let's do the next one. And I want us to continue thinking about breaking add-ins apart into tens and ones. See if that helps you add a little easier. Maybe it makes adding easier for you too. Let's see. Here's the next one. The next one is 13 plus 17. Do you have an answer? Okay. Lydia, I see that you are wanting to share what you're thinking. Can you tell us what you think the answer is to 13 plus 17? Lydia said this is one she's struggling with a little bit because she was breaking the numbers apart, but she ran into some trouble. Tell us some more, Lydia. Okay, so she says 13, she knows, is 1 10 and 3 ones. And 17 is 1 10 and 7 ones. Tell us more, Lydia. Lydia said she was having trouble after she combined the two tens. All right. Did anybody else think of it this way and come up with an answer? Madison? Okay. Madison says that she thinks the answer to 13 plus 17 is 40. Do we agree or disagree with Madison's answer, 40? Okay, it looks to me like several of us don't agree with the answer 40, but then some of us are not quite sure. Does anybody have a different answer? Davon, what do you think the answer is? Okay, Davon says that he thinks the answer to 13 plus 17 is 30. Do we agree or disagree with 30? Okay, I see some of you have even changed your mind, that you agree that 13 plus 17 equals 30. Davon, can you tell us how you were thinking about this problem? All right. So Davon says he did this, thought about the 13 as a 10 and 3 ones. Okay, so you broke that apart into 10 plus 3. And then also broke apart the 17 into 10 plus 7. Okay, tell us more. All right, so he says he combined the two 10s. So 10 plus 10, which equals 20. 10, 20. Aha. So Davon says this is where he thinks Lydia was probably having some difficulty. Because when you're combining the 7, the 3 and the 7, 3 plus 7, what does that equal? 3 and 7 are one of our combinations of 10. Do you remember those? The combinations of 10. 3 and 7 equal 10. So, when I put these together, I have another 10. So now, I have 20 plus 10 equals 10, 20, 30. Very good, Davon. Lydia, do you see the 3 and the 7 in this 10? Yes. It's sort of simple to see whenever you combine them to make one group of 10. 3 plus 7 is 10 more. Okay, very good. That was excellent. Let's continue with this challenge of decomposing and regrouping and do this next problem. The next one is 18 plus 12. Sarah says she thinks the answer to 18 plus 12 is 30. We just did a problem that the answer was 30. Is that okay? That both of these problems, it's a different problem, but it had the same answer. Of course, they're different numbers, but when we combine them together, they equal to 30. Everybody agrees that the answer is 30. Sarah, talk to us about how you were thinking about this problem. Okay. Sarah says she broke the 18 apart into 10 plus 8, 10 plus 8 ones. Let's make sure. 10 and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's this add in. And then she broke the 12 apart into 10 plus 2 ones. Okay, there's 10 and 2 ones. There's 10, 11, 12. All right, Sarah, tell us more. All right, so she says when she added the 2 10s, she has 10 plus 10. Here's the 10 from the 18 and the 10 from the 12. 10 plus 10 is 20. Now, tell us more, Sarah. Okay, so she says that when she was adding the ones, the 8 and the 2, she saw the 8 plus 2 more is just another 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So 20 plus 10 equals 10, 20, 30. Very good. All right, let's try another one. Are you ready? Okay, 15, the wrong color. Okay, 15 plus 27. Lydia, would you like to share with us what you think the answer is to 15 plus 27? All right. Lydia says that she thinks the answer is 42. Do we agree or disagree with 42? It looks like most of us agree. Lydia, can you tell us how you were thinking about this problem? All right, so Lydia says that she broke apart each of the add-ins. So 15 is 10 plus 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the 15. Tell us more. And the 27 she broke apart into 20 plus 7. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So the 27 is 2 10s and 7 1s. Okay, Lydia, tell us more. So Lydia says that she combined the 10s, 10, 20, 30. So 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20 equals 30. Okay, Lydia? All right. So then she says that when she was adding the ones, the 5 plus the 7, she wanted to make another 10. So how did you make that 10? Okay, so Lydia says she made 10 by saying 7 and 3 of these. So she decomposed or broke apart the 5 into 2 and 3 and gave it to the 7. Because 7 plus 3 equals 10. So now she has another 10. Okay, so now if we combine all of the 10s. Let's see. So wait, she combined the 5 and the 7. I'll write that down here. And 5 and 7 equal 10 plus 2, or 12. So now we combine all of the 10s again. 10, 20, 30. Sorry. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 2. And that equals 42. Davon, do you see the 5 and the 7 here? Where do you see that? Yes, yes. You see the 5 here and the 7 here. Madison, do you see that where is the 5 plus 7 equals 12? Yes, this is the 5 plus 7 equals 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Okay, let's continue with this challenge. We're going to do another. The next problem is 16 plus 27. Torian says he thinks the answer is 43. Do we agree or disagree with Torian's answer, 43? Torian, can you tell us how you thought about this problem? So Torian says he was breaking apart each of the add-ins, but he also had to do some regrouping. So 16 is 10 and 6 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. This is the 16, 10, and 6. Okay, Torian, tell us more. Okay. And 27 is 2 10s and 7 ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 20 plus 7. Okay, tell us more, Torian. All right, so Torian says when he combines the 10s, he has 10 plus 20, which equals 30. 10 plus 20, let me move that over. 10, 20, 30. And this is where he did some regrouping. He says that 6 plus 7 can be regrouped to make a 10 and some more. So how did you make a 10 and some more? Okay, Torion says that he used this 7, and he took 3 away from here to make a 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 3 more. So 6 plus 7 was 10 and 3 more. And then when we combine the 10s, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. And that equals 43. 40 plus 3.